Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to share your Wi-Fi password with QR code from Samsung Mobile. So follow these easy steps to easily learn how to share your Wi-Fi with QR code. So right now I will share this phone Wi-Fi QR code to this phone. So I'm going to opening my phone setting first and tapping on connections and now tapping on Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I've already connected to this Wi-Fi network. Now I will share this Wi-Fi using QR code. So here's I'm tapping on settings next to the Wi-Fi I'm using currently. And here you'll find this QR code option. Just tap on QR code. Now draw your pattern or passcode. And here you'll find a shareable QR code for the specific Wi-Fi network. Okay, now I will connect these Wi-Fi using QR code. So here's on this phone, I'm opening camera app and I'm simply scanning this QR code and then tapping on connect to network. And as you can see, I've successfully connected my Wi-Fi using QR code. So this is how we can share our Wi-Fi with QR code on Samsung phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.